Alright, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the Fit IT Guy. Today I installed some PPF paint protection film on my DRL lights and my headlights on my Model Y Juniper. You can get them in clear or you can get them in a light smoke like I did here. And with my window tint I already have, it makes the car look so much meaner and completely changes the look of the car. I mean, look at this, come on, this is awesome. And from what I can tell, there's no dimming of the lights at all. The lights still look just as bright looking at the car, and the lights are just as bright when I'm inside the car, even with my window tint. You can also see my custom RGB DRL light with the kit scanner, or at least as close as I could get to the kit scanner. Looks even better now with the light smoke PPF on the DRL light. It really, really shines, and this looks so freaking cool. And you can see our headlights here also. They are on and visible. So this install didn't even take 30 minutes. I started with the DRL lights, and by the time I got to the headlights, I was so much better at it already. I did get some bubbles with my first few. So the DRL lights, I started with the right side, then the middle, then the left. But yeah, look at this kit light. This looks so freaking cool. So mean, so aggressive. I love it, this car. The more I do to this car, the more impressed I am with how awesome it's handling every mod. Every mod I do to it really enhances the overall profile and everything about this car. I can't contain my excitement, my joy for how my creation has come to life. And this was my vision I had for the car all along. I still have a couple little things there that I need to do, but now you can see what we've got going on here, and it's awesome.
All right, guys, so here's a before of the car here. You can see the clear headlights, and here's the PPF film that we're going to be installing. Again, this is a light smoke PPF. There's also dark smoke as well. Here's the Hydrosilex glass cleaner that I'm going to be using to clean the headlights and the DRL lights before putting on the PPF film. So doing a quick wipe down with that. And then here I have the slip spray, and there's also the tack spray as well. Again, you can buy a PPF installation kit from Amazon. And the slip spray is just soap and water, and I'm wetting my hands as well before touching the film, gently laying the film across the DRL light here and just getting it into place. And now I'm using the squeegee tool to squeeze out all the water, and there you can see what the difference looks like in the before and after. Here are the clear lights on the left and the new PPF film on the right. And now same thing, wiping down the middle portion of the DRL light, putting on the PPF film, spraying a ton of water all over it, and now squeegeeing out the water here. And once all the water is squeegeed out, basically it just sticks on just like that. Again, this only took me about 30 minutes to do the whole car. For the DRLs itself was about 10-15 minutes, and then another 10-15 minutes for the headlights. And there's how it looks. So we have the right piece and the middle piece now done. Hey everyone, pausing the video here to show you some of my favorite Joe accessories. Here we have the folding lap desk, which is great for putting your laptop on it and working. And then when you're done, you just fold it right back up and it fits right in your frunk. Next up, we have the mobile charging station for the Apple Watch and AirPods Pro. This is great if you're on the go. We also have the 3-port USB hub with the built-in 1TB SSD. This is great for the dash cam. Increase your storage space so that you don't run out of space and, lose some important clips. Next up, we have this awesome 130-watt USB hub. It has 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and it has a retractable USB-C cable as well. Finally, we have the wireless charging MagSafe phone mount. And this phone mount is awesome because you can rotate it any direction you want, and it sticks on the back of the screen with the suction cup, a very strong suction cup. And it's super convenient because it also hides away behind the screen whenever you're done. So be sure to check out these items on joa-life.com and you can save 5% off with my discount code FIT. And here's the left piece as well. I already showed you the other pieces, so figured don't need to show you that one. So now we're doing the headlights here. Again, we're spraying a ton of slip solution on the headlight itself and the PPF film. This one was actually a lot quicker for me. It's a smaller piece to cover. It's a lot flatter, so that makes it easier to install. Plus, this was the 4th piece I'm installing now. And this was definitely the best one I installed so far. I barely had any bubbles, just 1 or 2 small ones there. You can see the difference with the top ones that I did here. So again, first time doing PPF, never done it before, but I've done plenty of screen protectors. Now we can see what the whole car looks like, and it looks so much better.
So there you go, guys. This looks freaking badass. I love it. Doesn't dim the lights at all that I can tell. Perceivably, it looks exactly the same. And of course, when we're driving, that's what really matters. Seems exactly the same to me. This was my first time ever installing PPF, first time ever doing any sort of tinting. I've done many phone screen protectors. I've done many iPad, tablet, screen protectors. So the concept is not new to me, but PPF and tint definitely is a much harder thing. There's a lot more to account for. I would recommend doing it indoors. Outdoors, you're gonna have a lot more dust. So indoors, do it there. Follow a tutorial. You can watch my video too. It's good to have some soapy water, or even buy a PPF kit from Amazon. It'll have your slip and your tack so that you do everything properly. I've been driving the car around. Everything's still there. Nothing flew off. So my first attempt at PPF is a success. And what's great is I'm gonna protect my headlights and my DRL lights from getting cracked and from getting scratched. So for as cheap as this is, and with my discount code TFIG, you're gonna save on handshow.com on this PPF kit for your headlights and your DRL. And they also have other PPF kits as well if you're more adventurous in doing the rest of your car or anything like that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, very easy one, probably not even 30 minutes to do the whole thing. You can do just the DRL in 10 minutes. I mean, that was pretty quick. And I really hope you guys enjoy how awesome this came out. And I hope you guys do this too. Even if you just get the clear one, protect everything you can. And if you do it yourself, you save yourself a lot of money. I'm sure if I went to my local tint PPF shop, it would have probably been a few $100 for them to do this with their labor prices, which again, they are masters. When we do it ourselves, we save a lot of money, and you save money with my discount code TFIG, 20% on handshow.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you next time. This was so awesome again, and I hope you guys enjoy my channel. This was so much fun. See you next time.